We're going to continue topic 3.1, the chain rule. We're definitely going to use our colors now. So we're going to let g of x equals -7 over 2x minus 3 squared, and we're supposed to find g prime of x. We notice we've got parentheses, so I'm going to underline inside the inside function in orange. That's going to become my u. So I'm going to write that in orange, 2x minus 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative of that because that's the derivative of the inside, which is going to be 2. So I'm going to need that later. Now I'm going to take that g function and I'm going to rewrite it. Instead of writing the orange, I'm going to replace the orange with a u. Now I'd probably rewrite that again in order to make it look a little bit more like something we would take the derivative of. So I'd rewrite it as -7 times u to the -2 power. Now we are going to go ahead and take the derivative of g prime. So g prime of x equals the derivative of the outer function, leave the inside alone. So actually I'm going to rewrite that as sorry, I'm looking at what we did here. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. Okay, so if I think about it in terms of the u, okay, so really what we're doing to get this the derivative of g prime of x is we're taking the derivative of the function and then leaving the inside alone, the u alone, and then we're multiplying it by u prime. So let's do that. The derivative of the u would be, I'm going to bring the -2 in front, so we've got 14u would be the derivative of the outside, or the outside function. And then I'm going to multiply that by the derivative of the, oh, I need to subtract 1, sorry, to the -3, okay? And then I'm going to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which was 2. And then to finish this off, what I need to do is I need to replace my u with what I let u equal in the beginning. So I'm going to replace that. So I've got 14 times, and then I've got this 2 hanging out at the back, and then I'm going to replace the u, which was 2x minus 3. And then this was, oh, sorry, I missed my -3 power. I'm going to clean that up, because likely this would be a multiple choice problem. So 14 times 2 would be 28. And then this exponent would bring that whole term back downstairs. So it'd be 2x cubed. All right, let's try this again. So in this case here, we are going to let the u be the inside function. I'm going to underline that in orange. So we've got 3x minus 2x squared. And then I'm going to take the derivative of that, which would be 3 minus 4x. Now I'm going to rewrite my f function, and instead of where I have it in orange, I'm going to make it into u. So f of u, sorry, f of x equals u cubed. Now I'm going to try to find my derivative of f of x. So I know that when I find my derivative, I take the derivative of the function evaluated for u times the derivative of the inside function, which is the u. Okay, so my f prime of u would be 3u squared. The derivative of the outside function is 3 minus 4x. I need to replace the u. So I've got 3 times, do it in orange, 3x minus 2x squared. And then I'm going to drop this down, 3 minus 4x. At this point, this is a perfectly good answer. You may need to distribute. You may need to FOIL to get to the final answer. So that's just going to kind of be up to what does the scoring guide look like. All right, looking here, we do have our derivative rules. We've already learned all of these. So what you're going to see if you flip to the front inside cover of your textbook, okay, you'll notice that all of them have this funny u in it. Well, what that u is representing is the chain rule. We basically replace our function, whatever our inside is, with a function u, and then we have to know that we have to take the derivative of the inside. So the chain rule applies to every single derivative rule that we have.